Everyone, in this video I will show you how to add space between border and text in Word, and here you can see that the text is very close to the border. So how you can add space between border and text. So this technique often referred to as adjusting the padding or margins. You need to access the advanced option within the borders and shading. So for this you need to click on the design tab and then go to the page border on the extreme right side. So in the dialog box that appears, make sure you are on either the border tabs or for the page border, and then click on the options, the button located in the bottom right corner. So now here you need to adjust internal margins. So under the margin you will see that top, bottom, left and right margins. So increase the numerical values in these boxes to create more space between the borderline and your content. For example, 10 pt, and in the preview you can also see that. And then click OK and click OK to apply, and here you can see that. Let me undo that. There is another way. You click on this design, go to the page border and click on the options, and in the borders and shading options you need to click on the measure from text to the edge of the border and click OK to proceed and OK, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. You can add space between borders and text in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.